Hey, what's up, honey hive? It's your girl, Goddess Dreams TK, and I am back. We are back. So, we into this gardening stuff right now, and we have talked about the zones, we have talked about vegetables, we have talked about herbs that you can grow. So, today we are going to be discussing the difference between perennials and annuals. So, annual plants are plants that they only last a year. They grow pretty flowers. They're only there for the season. Now, what they do is they produce seeds. So when they produce those seeds fall into the ground, and the next either fall, spring, whenever you they bloom, they'll come back out. A perennial is a shrub, flower, vegetable, whatever, that comes back every year. And that is because it is rooted in the ground. So that means because it's rooted, it's going to come back every year. They live for more than 2 years, often for many years. That's just like an example is asparagus. So that's one of the vegetables that they say you can plant and you can get like a lifetime of food. That's a food source that you can get for a lifetime. Now, starting out with asparagus, it takes them a little while to get rooted. So like some asparagus you can plant the year in the season and it'll grow that season, but the next season it'll come back even stronger and even bigger and more. So the more they're in the ground, the more they'll come back. Another example for a plant is elephant ears. You put elephant ears in the ground, they bloom all through the season that they're supposed to bloom in, and then once that, I say winter, when winter comes, it dies back, but in the spring it comes back, and they come back, the ears get bigger and bigger. Some elephant ears are meant to be small, but usually with those bigger bulbs you get bigger elephant ears. An example of perennial vegetables. No, I gave you a vegetable, which was strawberries. Strawberries are perennials. They die back next year. They come back. So those are some examples of perennials. Like I say, perennials are things that come back because they're rooted in the ground. And basically, if you're looking for something that's gonna last, that you want to come back over and over, whether it be for a food source or just to keep your yard, your landscape, then you want to go with perennials. Now, annuals are those, they like the little pretty flowers. They don't last long. We've bought plenty of annual plants and they don't last long. I don't even think I've been able to get them to seed because it gets so hot in the zone that I'm in, which is AB. It gets hot, so they really don't. It's hot, and then we go into winter. So but if they do seed, the seeds fall to the ground, or you can collect the seeds and they will, you can plant them for the next season and they'll come back, and you don't have to worry about spending no money on getting those particular plants or flowers. But like I say, if you want something that's gonna live for, that's gonna give you a lifetime of a food supply or a lifetime of beautiful landscaping, go with those perennials, not the annuals. The annuals are, they gone. They gonna be out of there. They out of there. Annuals are cute. They had a little cute little flowers, and I wonder, because annuals are kind of cheap, and if you look at it, they're not as much as the perennials, and I think that's why perennials cost more, because they come back over and over again. But when you get those seeds, if you could get, I'm gonna give y'all a good example. The collard greens, those are ones that seed. So if you let them grow, I took two and I just let them grow, and what I did was took the seed pods and kept the seeds. So this weekend I plan on planting my collard greens to get ready for the winter. But a lot of your plants, if you would like, just take two of the plants and let them seed. Just let them grow until they seed, and take the seeds off of them, and you can replant those. Even some perennials have seeds. Elephant ears don't seed. They don't have seeds. But there are some perennials that seed, and you can take those seeds and replant them, and that saves you from having to buy more. And you'll notice, like, first it'll grow into a flower, then it'll dry up, and that's where those seed pods come in at. Same thing with carrots. If you let the top of the carrots just keep growing, you see those little pretty white flowers, those are seeds. That's what you want to keep. And you don't have to worry about buying seeds again, because you have them. You get them from what you've already planted. So this video, like I said, I just wanted to talk about the difference between annual and perennials. So remember, perennials last for years and years and years. Annuals are just there for that 1 year, unless, they seed and the seeds fall to the ground. Another thing, perennials are rooted, so they are established. Annuals don't, their roots are not long. They don't last long at all. So if you're looking for, I know we in the gardening, I'm talking about gardening right now. So if you're looking for something that's going to last and keep giving you a supply of food, then you want to go with those perennial fruits and vegetables. Most definitely. Like your fruit trees, those are perennials. They're going to come back over and over and over again. So just want to give y'all that little bit of information. And so I have a ebook on my Etsy, in my Etsy shop, and it's for Zone AB, and I go over tomatoes, cucumbers, okras, peppers, and I think it's one more. I can't remember what it is, but anyway, in that ebook I talk about planting, what to look for, what diseases they can have. I also include a recipe for each particular vegetable that you can use. So go check out that ebook. It's on my Etsy shop. It's Honey Hive on Etsy, and the link is in my bio, and it's $5. That's all, $5. So go get y'all ebook if you're in Zone AB or in Zone 8, and learn how to grow y'all some vegetables. Get on it. I'm trying to teach y'all. I'm trying to put y'all up on game. Like I say, I'm giving y'all the game. It's up to y'all to accept it and go do something with it. So you ain't got no excuse. And it's not just me. It's plenty of people on here giving y'all the game. So it's up to you. You can't keep making excuses. Plant. I don't care if you plant one thing. It's a source of food for you. And if you ain't got no money, you plant some carrots. Go out there, cut you up some carrots. You got water. Boil you some water. 9 times out of 10, you're going to have something in that refrigerator that can go with them carrots. If you don't, then get them carrots, simmer them in a pot. You can saute them, eat them. It's a source of food. Just, times get hard, you will have a source of food in your yard that you can go out and get. Same thing, bell peppers. Take you some bell peppers. If you only growing bell peppers, take you some bell peppers, cut them up, saute them, eat your bell peppers. Boil them. Make you some a bell pepper soup. It's a source of food. And not only that, as long as you don't boil them too long, those are source of vitamins as well. Vitamin C, vitamin A. You can get your vitamins from your vegetables. And here's something that I discovered. Once you pick your fruits and vegetables off the vine or wherever you get them from, the life cycle starts to die out. So the longer that they sit, their life cycle is dying out, and those nutritions that's in those vegetables or fruits that has been picked are starting to fade away. So just think about it. If you're growing your own fruits and vegetables, and you go out there and you pick a cucumber, you eat it, you're getting all of those vitamins and getting the full benefits of it if you eat it right away. Versus in the grocery store, when they pick that stuff, you don't know how long it's been on the shelf. Really don't know where it's coming from. Don't know what chemicals were sprayed on it. So honestly, it's lost its nutritional value. It's probably loaded with pesticides. So it's no benefits from it, versus you growing your own stuff. Like I say, just one thing. You ain't got to grow but one thing. And when it start growing, go out there and pick it and eat it. Because when you pick it, okay, I picked this yesterday, so the life cycle is still good. So you got about 3 to 4 days, to go on and eat it. And by then you'll be done ate it. And you're not wasting money, because you don't have to go and buy 5 or 6 bell peppers so you won't have to go to the store. You just go out there and pick that 1 or 2 bell peppers that you need, take it in, chop it up, and use it for what you're going to use it for. Same strawberries, anything. So you're getting the full benefits of that particular fruit or vegetable. So keep that in mind. That's another good reason to garden. But that's it for now. And next week we'll jump back on, and I'm going to have another topic for y'all. A good topic. You know, I'm teaching y'all, putting y'all up on game. But anyway, don't forget about that ebook. Go to Honey Hive on Etsy and pick that ebook up so you can learn some things. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, give me some ideas, of what you want to know. Like I said, if I don't know, I'll find it out. We'll figure it out together because we learning. We growing and learning in this world. We doing this thing called life. We lifing because life is lifing for a lot of us right now. But anyway, I want to wish each and every one of y'all peace, blessings, joy, love, and abundance in whatever you are doing, whether it's starting a business, a garden, a new relationship, new house, whatever. I wish y'all nothing but abundance and the best. So see y'all next week. Bye. Peace.